So in this video, I will show you how to get virtual card on Bybit. If you want to get virtual card on Bybit app, let me show you step by step how to get it. After you open up your Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do, you go to your profile. After you go to your profile, now go to this all services. So now go to search. From the search, now search for card. So now select the card. After you select the card, as you can see now, here is it now. Here is virtual card and here is physical card at bottom. So I'll select this virtual card. After you tap on the virtual card, so then tap on this view my application. So under the view my application, so now here is the interface. So the first thing to do, now you tap on this confirm. So now you confirm the terms and condition. After you check on the button, you confirm terms and condition. Now you tap on this submit button. So if you tap on this submit button, so from there, now you allow Bybit to complete verifying your account. After they finish verifying your account, it sometimes takes like 2 to 3 days before they complete. So after they complete verifying your account, so from there they will give you the virtual card. If you go back to this option, if you have the virtual card active, so you'll be able to see your virtual card app like this. If you just tap on the virtual card, so from there it will give you this your virtual card information. And that's it guys on how to get virtual card on Bybit. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys.